Hey everybody, Technical Wizard here, and today I decided that I'm going to start getting rid of some of my computers. Not all of them, but mostly the junky ones. For example, what's left of the Presario 5441 and scrap them. But one of my first victims is going to be the Gateway E4200, believe it or not. I'm going to be getting rid of this unit because it's in really bad shape and I don't have room for it. I'd love to keep this unit because it's from my elementary school and all, but I just don't have room for a hunk of junk like this. So, yeah, we'll just go ahead and give her one last boot up before she gets salvaged. Alright guys, so this is the Gateway E4200's last ever boot up, ever. Okay guys, so here it is at its desktop with a bunch of my software and crap on it. But yeah, I have all of the elementary school data from the hard drive saved on this 2 gig thumb drive. So we're going to go ahead and shut it down and harvest its organs. So y'all can watch it shut down for the very last time ever. Okay guys, so we're back in the same room I was when I filmed episode 1 of Survivor 2016, but here's the E4200 and we're gonna go ahead and break this unit apart. But yeah, while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little disk drive thing out, flopping around one of the covers. And here's the second one. Yeah, there's a bunch of parts in here I'm gonna save. But first, we'll go ahead and take this stupid little thingy off that's holding this thing on. Oops, wrong screw. Trying to undo the fan. What was the fan cover? Like, there's a metal plate right here. Anyways, go ahead and take this out. There we go. Don't need this, so I'll just sit that on the ground. Go ahead and unplug this 20 gig IDE hard drive. It's a quantum hard drive. They're pretty fair. Wouldn't be my first pick, but yeah. But I'm not using time lapse because I actually want to show you guys taking this thing apart, because this thing has brought back a lot of memories ever since I found it. And here is the hard drive cover with the Quantum hard drive just chilling in there. We'll go ahead and remove that. But yeah, guys. The only thing I'm probably not going to be keeping out of this machine is the cover, because it's in really bad shape. But before I get rid of this unit forever, I'm going to take a few pictures. Alright. And here's the hard drive. It's got a lot of corrosion on there, doesn't it? It's a Quantum Fireball Plus LM. It's pretty fair. I'll use it in the E4200, but right quick before I continue, I'm going to turn my brightness up so I can actually see. Okay, there we go. Take a few pictures of this unit. I'm using my phone to film this, so I can take pictures and video at the same time, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I'm keeping these parts because if I don't ever find another Gateway E4200 from my elementary schools, then this one then other computers will still have the spirit from it. And I'm not going to put that back in just yet. I'm going to take some of these cards out. For example, this video card right here. There's just a bunch of random screws holding them in. Because there's a really, really small screw holding the video card in. Okay. I don't know what this is, but it's one of the cards. Okay, guys, this is a little hard, so yeah, we'll go ahead and skip taking these cards out. So, whoops, phone fell over. Sorry about that, guys. But we'll go ahead and take something else out. For example, the Sound Blaster that was in it. It's really dirty. It's a Sound Blaster Live. It's really good. So I'll use it in one of my other computers that don't have sound cards or need one. Go ahead and remove this. I don't even remember how many watts it has. I bet you it's 150 watt power supply. It's just a standard ATX power supply, one of the tiny ones. There we go. All the cables are nearly loose on it. All the cables are loose on it. Take the screws out. Oh, there it goes. Well, that didn't do good. That didn't do so good for it, did it? Yeah, I bet you it's broke now. But I wasn't really going to use it for anything anyways. But go ahead and take out this last screw. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to take a look at it real quick. This was originally from an HP. Yep, it's a 150 watt power supply. That smelled bad, so I'm assuming it's still good. Take out the memory, which is a good bit of memory. 512 megs of RAM. See what else do we need to take out. Just remove that screw right there, which is probably what was holding those cards in. Ethernet card. It's pretty good. I doubt I'm going to use half of this stuff from it. Probably going to use stuff like the graphics card and the hard drive and the power supply. Dial-up modem from a compact, which I just threw in there when I got this thing. Dang, what's holding that video card in? Okay. IE cables are out of the CD drive. Some of these cables aren't even original to this machine. Floppy cable, this is the original one. It's fairly dirty. Hard drive cable. Is there anything else that we need to take out of here? Yeah, there's still a bunch, but whatever, it's fun. Take out this CD-ROM drive, which is the refurbished one. And I'm gonna put the cover on. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna see if it's still filming. Yep, it's still filming because I don't really have much space on my phone. It's like, oh geez, 16 gigs, give or take. Let's go ahead and take the front off of this thing. I bet you have to take the side off because I'm going to get that floppy drive out and use it for something else. But this video is not going to be just about scrapping this computer. It's going to be about some other things too. Oh man. Oh yeah. There we go. Sides off. Woo-hoo! Yeah, there's nothing but glue holding it together. Top of it's still intact, surprisingly. Only thing that's holding it together is super glue. Oh man, the front of this thing's coming apart again. There's another cover from it. Oh man. Yeah, it just about fell apart. I took this off and yeah, it's about to, oh, there it goes. Just came off. It's done. So yeah, I guess this thing was on its last leg. But let's go ahead and take out this IDE CD-ROM drive, which I will probably use in another one of my computers. Because this one works, I'll just keep it for spares and repairs. Ah, it's a little rusty. There it is. Gateway 4 front cover. I almost said 4 for some reason, gee whiz. And it's a little scratched up, but who cares? I'm gonna get that floppy drive, of course. I bet you I'm not gonna use any of these screws, so I don't see why I'm putting them in a pile. I should do that. Okay. Floppy drive's nearly out. It was from a compact. Presario. But the compact Presario it was from was the one from Orange Beach. One that didn't work at all. Like it did work, but nothing would show up on the screen. Here it is, compact. Blah blah blah. Set that right there.